blended ingredients here. I'm adding my tomato puree. So onion, olive oil, blended ingredients, and my tomato puree I've made now. This is my seasoned chicken. I season it now. I'm washing it away. You get it? Yeah. This is my season. I've washed it. I'm adding it here. This buns is salty here. It's a beef. You get it? Yeah. I just want the smell inside. That's why I added it. You get it? Yeah. We are making spaghetti. Adding my chicken spices. Chicken stews spices. You get it? Yeah. This is garlic, blended garlic. I added my blended garlic late because I want the garlic to smell on the food. That's why. You can see that all my recipes are not expensive, just very easy and simple to prepare. You get it? Yeah, very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time. You get it? Yeah, you can close your eyes and cook it. Very simple. Yeah, that's olive oil. Yeah. I don't want to fry it. I just want to use air fryer to do it. That's I'm cooking boiled rice. Yeah, but I added a little butter so that it will taste good. Yeah, so let's wait for the So we are going to eat with our rice and potatoes here. It was not in my mind to cook such recipe, and I didn't even think of cooking this recipe. I just wanted to make spaghetti, and the spaghetti I was waiting, it was delaying. I said no, I have potato, let me create something. Then I just started making this. Then all of a sudden I got a new recipe. So I got to be dying. So I fry my potatoes. I use air fryer to fry it so that it will not contain too much oil. If I fry it will be too much oil. So I use air fryer to fry my potatoes. Then I just get this recipe. So hey, you are the dying. So we are going to eat with our rice and potatoes. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm covering it so that the heat will come in top. Rice, I'm coming to turn it so that the sauce down, the chicken and potato sauce is down and the rice is on top, so I'm coming to turn it. So let's see. I'm coming to turn it. Magic. Did you say it? When I turn the rice, this is the result. Then what are doings? Yeah, sometimes. Please, if what I'm doing you like, you love, and it's interesting, please, all you can do for me is just like, comment, subscribe for me. Yeah, so this is all I need from you guys. So you know I love you guys. Subscribe for me, like for me, view for me. It's all about Bidan Anawaka doings. Just like, subscribe for me, please.